Sometimes a combination of sleeplessness, stress, and hard work can create havoc here and there, and then your days can make you feel exhausted and burned out. These are the days when you reconsider and reevaluate all your decisions and make you doubt your own capabilities. A lot of this can resurface in the design process, and sometimes, with a little bit of luck at the end of the project, you just need to decompress for the next challenge. This is the time when everything should stop, but it simply doesn't or won't stop. After all, the show must go on. The important thing is that you use your tiredness and transform it into something productive, or even just throw it away. Either way, here are a few options that will help you take off some of the pressure off your shoulders. My name is Patricia, and this is the Designer 101. I understand the frustration you may feel, so let's begin right away. Full disclosure, this is what has worked for me in the past. I'm sure there are other techniques that could help you, but know that I'm here for you, sharing not only my frustration, but moreover to share a positive attitude towards the future outcome. First of all, I must say, take today off. I really hope you can do this. I know sometimes you just can't with everything going on, but this helps a lot, especially when everyone is driving you crazy. Postpone all your meetings, cancel all your appointments for that day, and spend it as if there were no tomorrow. Just quit for the day everything that has to do with what makes you exhausted. You can use your time to go to the movies, spa, spending the day with friends or family, or go for a day at the beach. Go shopping, everything that takes your mind off work. I know this can sound counterproductive since you're not exactly handling all the things you need to do, but mental health is vital. So take care of yourself first, and then you can deal with your problems assertively. Exercise. You won't have a problem with this if you're an active person. I am definitely not one of them and die every time I try to make it a habit. That's my New Year's resolution. But it is one of the most decompressing things that when you are too stressed out and your emotions are about to burst out. Clear your mind, do some yoga, running, or go swimming. I don't know, some things like that. Engage in new art. Nothing better than focusing on the things you love. Being a designer involves so much art and aesthetics that you need to let your eyes enjoy new horizons. A way to reconnect with your inner designer is searching for what inspires you, like artistic magazines, museums, travel, going to the theater, and re-understand why you chose this path. Find your inspiration, whether it is enjoying with friends or watching a movie or simply resting. The inspiration will come if you pay attention and look for it. Be patient, because it may not happen overnight. Don't get frustrated if it doesn't happen instantly. You should always enjoy the ride and see where it takes you, because inspiration is always the main drive behind every creative action. Remember your experience. I'm not sure if you're one of those people who really enjoy delivering to a client and seeing their happy faces when they see things they like in your design. Besides all the stress and time consuming, it's something really precious to see, and you treasure it in your heart with all the precious achievements and memories. I'm sure I'm one of those kinds of people, and I understand why you would do the whole process all over again. It's so worth it. What gets me more excited is deciding on whatever detail I prefer and going shopping for beautiful lamps or carpets. Yeah, that's a red flag for shopaholics here. My point is, you should remember why you ended up in this situation in the first place and hold on to it, because this is the main reason you should stand on your feet again and be ready to overcome all obstacles. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe and leave a comment if you want to know more. And see you later, guys.